or Colclough Ivy Leaf pattern, very recognisable. These are the cake plates, 9-inch square cake plates, made over a long period of time. We've got both variants that we're going to show you today, and it is a variant on a single listing. 9-inch square, extending to 9.25 inch if you measure between these slightly protruding eared handles with the gilt decoration. Absolutely identical in terms of the transfer pattern, decorative pattern and everything on them. This one is the earlier one, which is the Colclough Ridgeway pottery marks, made in England, a product of the Ridgeway potteries. So that dates the production on this particular piece between 1954 and 1966. And the other identical on the flat surface, nothing to really differentiate these, but that's got the later mark on, which is that pink stylised Colclough bone china made in England, and that's the Dalton period mark, so post 1966, any time up to 1997. So choose which one you like. There really isn't any difference between the two of them, both in used vintage condition, occasional little knife mark, but good bright gilt and otherwise very clean examples of Colclough vintage china. Pick your one, buy them both the same price. We're not charging a differential on the earlier one because the condition's identical and there's no real difference. So there's no real rarity value in having the earlier or the later one, to be fair. Follow the link description below. We'll take you through to the website listing where you've got drop down menu options or button options to select which one of these you'd like.